So I'm going to be talking about the Anomie-Strain theory, which was developed by Robert Merton. It basically just talks about people have different... Our society encourages everyone to achieve success and achieve greatness, but only certain classes are endowed with the ability to achieve these successes in socially acceptable means. So only certain kinds of people, like certain upper class people or middle class people, have the opportunity to, for example, receive a good education, whereas like impoverished people, they don't have money to go to college. If they can't like earn a scholarship or something, then they don't have the means to achieve that same success. So it's called the goal means gap, which means that we all have the same goal, and like our society creates the anomie, which is the breakdown of social norms that result from society's urging of people to be ambitious but failing to provide them with legitimate opportunities to succeed. That's from the textbook. Basically, it just means that certain people who don't have the right means to succeed will feel frustration about that, and they will either like engage in ritualism, engage in conformity, engage in innovation, engage in retreatism, or rebellion. So conformity is basically what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to accept the anomie, or we're supposed to accept what society wants of us. We're supposed to engage in healthy means of achieving these dreams, of achieving these goals, of achieving success. So we accept what society wants from us, and we strive towards what society wants from us in constructive ways, such as going to school, achieving a good job, not breaking social norms. Whereas innovation, they reject the use of legal means in favor of illegal ones to achieve the high success goal that they have learned to accept. So it means they're accepting the goal of success and rejecting the legitimate means. So they might start selling drugs, they might just engage in illegal activities in order to get the money that society tells us that we so badly need, which money pretty much equals success. So, or they'll engage in ritualism, which is lower class people, lower middle class people, lowering their aspirations or abandoning high success goals so they can more easily realize their aspirations. So basically you say, no, I'm not trying to go to college. Like, I'm okay with this job that I have now. I'm okay with being a retail worker. I'm okay with being a restaurant server. I don't make that much money, but like, at least I come by it by honest means. So you reject the success goal, but you still have legitimate means. That's a ritualism. Or you can go into retreatism, which is, I don't care about society's success goals. I don't care about achieving legitimate means. Some examples are people who engage in just drug use, like people who become addicted to like heroin. They don't care about achieving things in legitimate ways. They don't care about what society wants from them. They just completely retreat into themselves. They don't care about society at all. And then there's rebellion, which is rejecting the prevailing social expectation that we work hard in the so-called rat race to reach the goal of success. The rebel also attempts to overthrow the existing system and put into place a new one with new goals and new means of reaching these goals. So basically, they're saying everything about this is wrong, but instead of like acting out about it, basically, they do it. They want to change the system, and they want to change it in constructive ways. So on the chart here, it shows a plus and a minus for both successful and legitimate means, which means they kind of accept it, they kind of reject it, but they're not rebelling. Or, well, they are rebelling. They're not retreating, is what I meant to say. Sorry. They're not engaging in ritualism. They're not just giving up. They're not conforming, and they're not trying to make their own innovative ways of making money. They're just... I'm talking to my camera right now. Be quiet. So they don't They try to overthrow the system. They try to do it in ways that are semi-legitimate. They reject the success goals that society places upon them, but they also want to overturn those goals and change everything.